Criminal defense lawyers versus public defenders. Which one is better for high-profile cases? When facing a high-profile criminal case, most people get this wrong by assuming that any legal representation is sufficient. The surprising truth is that criminal defense lawyers and public defenders offer very different levels of expertise and attention, and choosing the right one can impact the outcome of your case dramatically. Criminal defense lawyers are private attorneys who specialize in defending clients against criminal charges. They bring focused experience with complex cases, and often a team of investigators and experts to support your defense. For high-profile cases, they understand the media landscape, manage public perception, and build strategic defenses tailored to the case's unique challenges. Celebrities, executives, or politically sensitive defendants often rely on criminal defense lawyers to ensure their rights and reputation are protected. Public defenders, on the other hand, are government-appointed attorneys who represent defendants who cannot afford private counsel. They are highly skilled and experienced in court procedures, but they often manage heavy caseloads which can limit the time and resources available for each client. For standard criminal cases, public defenders provide competent representation, but high-profile cases may require more individualized attention. So which is better for high-profile cases? If resources allow, a private criminal defense lawyer is typically the better choice. They offer focused attention, advanced strategy, and experience managing public scrutiny. For clients with limited means, public defenders still provide essential representation, but the level of personal involvement may differ. The key takeaway is that the stakes are higher in high-profile cases, and the choice of legal representation matters. Understanding the distinction between criminal defense lawyer and public defenders ensures that you receive the expertise, strategy, and support necessary to navigate complex, high-stakes legal challenges successfully. Choosing wisely can protect both your freedom and your reputation.